The cinnamon challenge.
I'm not cleaning shit up.
That's fine, I got it. Is that enough, or do you have to put more? Okay.
Let me see.
Looks good. Here you go, honey. Okay, ice cream, got it. Here.
Oh, bad.
Come on, here's cinnamon challenge. Do-do-do-do. You're gonna be like that 7 minute of talking if you don't hurry up. Okay, ready, set, go ahead.
What do I do?
You just gotta eat it.
Swallow it.
Put it in your mouth.
And swallow it.
Love cinnamon. Hey, you know what you guys tried this? Oh.
What's it doing? You love cinnamon.
That's just god awful.